Hello, and welcome to What is Insure++. Today, we will be going over a couple topics in this video, mainly what is Insure++, what does Insure++ do, instrumentation, the benefits of Insure++, and finally, how to get the tool. So, what is Insure++? To start with, the main highlight of Insure++ is that it is a memory debugging tool. It is used to check for memory problems like corruption, leaks, allocation errors, and a couple more you see on the slide right here. Uncovering these memory issues early on ensures that the quality of your code allows your developers more time on solving real problems instead of wasting your time debugging. So, how does it do this? It performs static analysis at compile time and then some dynamic analysis. And what does that do? Well, it creates a database of the application data for it that is instrumented. And then it is understanding how the application uses memory, like the application is using, creating, or destroying. What's nifty about the tool is that it can provide coverage of the code that was ran as well. It also includes a couple of other tools that can be used to visualize the memory being used and show the defects it finds to the user. Now, it can do this by performing instrumentation. So instrumentation is taking your source code and then changing it so we have the ability to monitor the application when it's running. Instrumentation also is a form of mutation testing. It is deliberately rewriting the code to make it unstable to test how stable the program actually is. There are cases where some people may build their code with Insure++ and the build fails. Chances are the tool made the code way too unstable. The code was probably very unstable to begin with, and adding Insure++ instrumentation made it way more unstable. You'd want to check the code base again. Now, the benefits of Insure++ is that it finds real defects. We can run the Insure++ analysis for demo purposes, and anything we find there is real. The reason why it's real is because the tool is executing a real instrument executable, a real life executable built together with. This is your application in runtime. As you exercise your application, the tool will instrument the code and see what memory gets allocated, and as the application runs some more, it'll check to see if there's a memory leak or if the memory is going to be handled properly. And if not, this can lead to a major defect where your application can suddenly crash and you'll have no idea why. And this makes it very difficult to debug, and that's why we use Insure++. Now, in order to get the tool, you want to navigate to our customer portal, which you can see in the link provided in the slide. You'll need to log into the site in order to get the product downloaded section to show up, and once you're authenticated, you can navigate to the product downloads and select the tool you want to download. The platform like Windows or Linux for the version, and then the installer will be ready for you. We highly recommend getting the latest version of the tool, and once you finish downloading the installer, simply run the executable and unzip the download. If installing, you can just follow the prompts, and you'll be able to have Insure++ installed on your desktop. To wrap up, Insure++ is a memory debugging tool. It detects real memory issues in your application as you exercise it. It instruments the application, and the tool is able to monitor the memory allocation and deallocation it is performing, and that's how it can detect the memory leaks. Insure++ provides information about these defects back to you so you can see where it is in your code so you can fix it. It can visualize and show memory block coverage as well as the actual memory being used during runtime. And by using Insure++ and cleaning up the defects, it'll make your application way more efficient and perform faster, and you don't have to worry about your application suddenly crashing on you. And that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you very much.